In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best router lifts available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the router lifts mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift for Precision Woodworking. The ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift is built for serious woodworkers. It features a stable lock ring for secure operation and is compatible with routers of 65mm or 69mm diameter. Constructed with premium aluminum alloy, it provides long-lasting durability and precise adjustments. Its advanced transmission system ensures ultra-smooth movement, ideal for fine woodworking tasks. A powerful tool for professionals who demand reliability and accuracy from their router lift. Number 4. GD7 Pro Router Lift for Precision Woodworking. The GD7 Pro Router Lift is engineered for precision woodworking with a high-performance transmission system that allows micro-adjustments. It fits most router tables and is easy to install, making it perfect for those upgrading their workshop setup. With a stable lock ring set and aluminum alloy construction, this router lift offers both stability and durability. Whether you're shaping edges or cutting dados, this model ensures smooth, consistent routing every time. Number 3. Woodworking Router Lift System with Aluminum Top Plate, ideal for 65mm diameter motors. This woodworking router lift system comes with an aluminum top plate for stable mounting on your workbench or trimmer machine. Perfect for engraving, trimming, or precision DIY tasks, it provides accurate depth control and smooth bit changes. This lift is a budget-friendly choice for woodworkers who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. A versatile upgrade that boosts efficiency in any woodworking project. Number 2. Aluminum Router Lift Base with 4-jaw clamping. This aluminum router lift base is the perfect addition to any DIY router worktable. Designed with a convenient 4-jaw clamping system, it allows for quick and secure installation using the included hex wrench. The ergonomic handle mechanism ensures smooth lifting, and its precision aluminum alloy construction guarantees durability. Whether you're routing edges or doing detailed carving, this compact lift delivers reliable performance at a very affordable price. Number 1. Woodworking Router Lift RL F001. The Woodworking Router Lift RL F001 is ideal for woodworkers looking for both precision and durability. It supports C8 router table insert boards and features a manual lifting rod that allows for fine-tuned height adjustments. Easy to install using 4 mounting screws, this lift is built to handle a variety of woodworking applications. Its strong aluminum build ensures long-lasting performance for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Great value with a 59% discount right now.